Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Pixiv how to join communities. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Joining communities on Pixiv is a great way to connect with fellow artists and enthusiasts who share your interest. In order to join a group on Pixiv, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Pixiv app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on this Explore tab on the bottom of your screen. Then on the search bar, simply type in the group you are interested in, like Action. Then simply navigate to the page, and once you're inside, there you'll find an option that says Join. Simply tap on Join button located at the top right corner of the screen. Then some groups may require admin approval. If so, your application will be reviewed before you can join. Then this can only be joined via invitation, and you can join up to 100 groups including those with pending applications. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.